Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before I get into what we're doing today, I would like to give a big welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dreamy and this is where I document my art journey, develop my art skills as I build a community full of petals. So you're now officially a part of the blooming flower. Welcome. Today I'm diving into a magical world where we'll be painting a sunset fairy theme using gouache on this canvas right here. I will also be sharing a few poems as we paint together. Some of you liked the last post I did with a few poems, so I think it would be a great idea to continue this series as we head into the winter season together. I love poetry, storytelling, magical worlds, fairies, and all those kind of stuff. So if you're into that as well, you're in the right place. This painting is all about capturing that enchanting, mystical vibe. So get cozy, grab your supplies if you want to paint along, and let's bring a fairy tale to canvas. This summer, I was so inspired by the dreamy, glowing sunset sky, so I thought, why not add my own touch of fantasy? This process is very simple, very easy, anyone can do it. Since this is a sunset scene, I'm using the colors purple, orange, yellow, blending them together from top to bottom to capture that evening sky. The darkest part of the sunset will be at the top. In the middle, I'll add my oranges and yellows, and for the foreground, I'll just add some dark brown where the tall grass will be. I want you to picture yourself as a tiny fairy standing in a meadow of tall grass, watching the sun go down. It's calming, relaxing, and you're surrounded by glowing bugs flying all around. Let's get into our first poem for today. This one is called At the Close of Day. In the tall soft grass she hides so small, a tiny fairy hidden from all. Her wings are light as the buzzes sigh, golden like sun on the evening sky. She perches quiet, her world held still, watching the light spill over the hill. Colors dance in glowing haze, blushing the sky with warm, soft grays. The sun dips low, a fiery dome, bathing her world in honey and chrome. Her wings catch light like threads of gold as the day fades out, soft and old. And as shadows creep, she breathes in deep, the world a cradle, her dreams to keep. Wrapped in dusk, in the hush she stays, a tiny fairy at the close of day. That was sweet. So let's get into painting some grasses. I'm laying these strokes to give the grass a natural look and create a sense of depth as if some are closer to us, and I will be adding some grass in lighter brown of others fading in the background. Over the past 3 months or so, I've been dedicating myself to learning how to paint, following tutorials on YouTube and Pinterest to develop my art skills. Drawing has always been something I'm comfortable with, but I realized that painting was a different art form altogether, one that I was yet to explore. Even though I'm good at drawing, I'm okay. Sure, there's still room to improve. My skills is not even where I want it to be, but I began to see that painting was essential to bringing my ideas to life in a more fuller, more vivid way. By adding colors, depths, and light, painting completes the vision I see in my mind. So I decided to take the next step. This summer, I kind of sacrificed my summer to just spending time learning about colors. Each tutorial I watch teaches me new techniques, from layering to blending colors to understanding the play of light and shadows on a canvas. It's been a humbling and inspiring journey, and I'm excited to continue building my skills and create art that truly captures the essence of what I want to express. I still struggle with expressing my ideas, but I'm taking it one step at a time because I know that my art will develop over time. After spending so much time creating digital art, I decided to give traditional painting a try. I still love digital art. It's been such a powerful tool for me to explore ideas and bring characters to life, but I felt the urge to step away from the screen and experiment with more hands on methods. I've always had a strong love for illustration, but I realized that I wasn't able to fully capture the vision in my mind with digital tools alone. While exploring digital painting, I've discovered a whole new world of texture, depth, and technique that feels more connected to the art itself. I'm excited to push my creative boundaries beyond just drawing characters. I don't want to limit myself to one subject or style, especially when there is so much more to explore, like landscapes, abstract forms, still life, and telling stories through colors and texture. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why I haven't found my art style as yet. Maybe I have and I don't realize it, but I don't think I have a distinct style. This journey is all about discovering art, expanding my styles, and finding new ways to bring my ideas to life. Before we get into our final touches, I would like to leave with you another sweet sunset poem. This one is called Ember's Dusk. The sky spills gold and violet fire, blushing clouds with soft desire. Ember and rose melt into night, fading slow in the warm twilight. The world is hushed in honeyed light, feels aglow in embered sight. Each breath is deep as day unwinds, leaving the sun's sweet warmth behind. A final kiss of crimson glow before the stars begin their show. The sun bows down, its journey done, wrapped in warmth, the night's begun. So that was my two poems for today. Hope you guys like them. If you love poetry as well and you have any you would like to share, please do so in the comment section down below. To add the final touches to my painting, I'm focusing on tiny glowing dots scattered throughout the grass to create the illusion of fireflies or magical creatures lighting up the scene. These small glows bring a fantasy element to the piece, making the grass feels alive and enchanting. These details, even though they're small, add a sense of wonder to this piece. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this painting, and I'm so glad that I shared those two poems with you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more art and creative inspiration. Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you have. Do so down below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and have a wonderful day.